Hi everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Over the last week, I made dinner with only £10. I went shopping at Aldi and I bought fruit, veggies, meat, eggs and a raft of other stuff. And I made homemade meals all week, and they weren't necessarily vegan or vegetarian. They were a mixture. So I spent £9.90 with the money that I had. So I came home with 10 pence change. And I made a video about the food shopping that I got, showing you all the items that I bought. I think there were 13 items, and like I said, they were only £9.90. Apologies for the crack in the screen, my dog sat on it. So let's get into it. So the first day I made chicken and leek soup. I'd also made a homemade loaf in a bread maker, and I had that for 2 days. And I also had a little pizza that was reduced each day with the soup too, so it made it go a little bit further. Nice big pot of chicken and leek soup, or as us Brits call it, cock-a-leekie. Then I made a homemade chicken curry. I bought a packet of chicken legs that cost me £2.25. I got a kilogram of chicken pieces, and you can see here I've used loads of veggies as well. Yum, yum, yum. The next day we had leftovers. I had a piece of roast chicken that I'd cooked in the oven at the same time as the chicken curry. So my son had the roast chicken piece, one of the last chicken leg, and a bit of the curry, and we had leftover rice as well. So I had the curry, as you can see here, on the rice. I had it with the veggies. My son had it with the chicken piece as well. So some days the food was enough for 2 people. The next day I made a tuna pasta bake. So there was loads and loads of it. So we had enough each for one day, and then the next day my son had some as well. Again, and I also had shakshuka, which is a North African dish. That's spicy and tasty, really easy to make, and in one pot here is cooking away with the egg on the top. And then on the last day I made mushroom scrambled eggs with some beans. So I got lots of meals. It stretched really far. So this proves that you don't have to be eating boring stuff. I've had spicy food, I've had soup, I had a curry, I had lots of tasty food, and it come to £9.90 to make. And I've also made a playlist for you to check out. It's called Cheap Meals from my £10 poverty shop. I call it a poverty shop because this is sort of like my default shop when I'm skint, or I've got a big bill to pay, or I'm trying to cut back, or I'm trying to add savings to my emergency fund. So if you've got a little chance, some little bit of time, could you please check out my playlist? Please like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.